Hello guys, this is Knight from oraclewp.com. In this video, I am going to cover the basic elements of Elementor one by one. If you are a beginner, then this video will definitely help you. So let's get started. Well, I am on my screen now, and these are the basics items of Elementor. So I am going to discuss all this one by one. The first one is inner section. To use this inner section, we need a row. It can be full width, it can be 2 column, whatever you want. Then we can drag and drop the inner section here. We have the power to adjust the width. We can add another column here, a new column. Also we can duplicate a column. It's pretty much simple. Also on tab device, we can define the width of each column, as like if we want it to be 50% and the second one also 50%, we have the power. The same thing we can do on mobile devices. We can individually define the width on, sorry, not this, it's the main one. We can individually define the width for the columns. Okay, it's simple. So the next thing is heading. To get the heading, I'm just adding a row and dragging, drop the heading. We can add text, whatever we want as the heading. We have the option to define the HTML tag of the headings. As you can see, I'm keeping H1 for this. We have the option of alignment, as you can see. For the desktop device, I am making it center aligned. We can also define the alignment on each device like tab and mobile. On the tab device, I am setting the alignment on left aligned, and for the mobile device, I am making it center aligned again. Okay, the next thing is styling. So we have the power to maintain, to define the colors of this text. As you can see, we can use any kind of color. We can also put our color code here. In that case, I am keeping the black one. The next thing is typography. We can set the font family, whatever we want. We can set the font size. In that case, it's on desktop device. For the desktop device, I am adding 30 pixel. For tab device, I am making it 20 pixel and not 22, 20 pixel. And for the mobile devices, I am making it 16 pixel. We have the option of font width. Whatever you want, you can set the width. The transformation, it can be uppercase, it can be lowercase, and capitalized. I'm making it capitalized. And there are the basic option of this heading: line height, spacing, and here you can see the advanced option. You can set the margin, the padding. If you set margin here, it will take this 20 pixel margin on every side. Also you can set the margin as percentage. You can see we have two options to set margin and padding. Not padding. For the margin we have two options, and for the padding we have three options, but it works the same way as margin. The next thing is Z-index, CSS ID and classes. It's an option to give the priority to which one will be displayed top of another section. We will discuss about it later. Just for now, I'm skipping this part. And motion effects, background, border, everything will be discussed later. I'm just skipping this for now. The next thing is image. I'm I'm just adding 2 column row here, and I'm just adding an image here. We have the option to choose our image from two options. One is upload and one is media library. I'm selecting this from media library, and we have the options to resize the image according to our needs. I have the option, so this is how we can set the width of the image. Also, we can make it center aligned, we can make it left aligned, right aligned. So I am making it left aligned. For the link options, we have media file and custom link. If you add media file, it will be opened as a big photo whenever someone clicks. And if we need a link for this image, we have to link it custom and set the URL here. And if we want the link should open in another new tab, we have to set the priority as open in new window. It's simple. Okay, the next thing is a text editor. It works pretty much same as the heading. We can easily change the text from here. Whatever we want to write on text editor, we can change it. Then we also have the option to set the color, typography and everything. And we can also if sometimes we need to do adjustments, like we want to have some word bold, we can make it here. We want to make some word italic, we can do that from here. It's pretty much simple. And also, if we want specific word to be colored, we have the option on this toggle tool and then this color. Okay, the next thing is video. I'm taking a new row for this video. This is the video option. You can add video from various sources as like YouTube, Vimeo and self-hosted, Dailymotion, whatever you want. If you want to add the video from YouTube, you have to copy the URL of the video and paste it here. You can set the start time, you can set the end time. You can set as it is auto-playable or not, whatever you want. You can mute the video, you can make it loop, whatever you want. You have the full power here. For the styling, you can set the aspect ratio and everything. The next thing is a button. I'm adding 2 column row here just for the demonstration. I'm adding the button. We have the option of alignment. I'm making it center aligned. Here, this is the option of the link and this is the option of the text. You can change it here. You can set the button type, info, success and whatever you want. It can be small, extra small, medium, large, whatever you want. You can set an icon for this button and you can set the spacing of this button between text and the icon of this. For the styling option of this button is a typography, text shadow, the same option as like the heading and the text editor. The typography option of this Elementor elements are the same thing on every element, so I think I should not cover this part again. And this is the new option, which is hover and normal. Currently it's normal. Let me show. Currently the normal text color is, let me select white and the background black. Currently the normal button color is background color is black and the text color is white. If you want to change the colors on hover, we can set the color. Let me select it green. So whenever someone hovers this button, it will be changed according to you have set on the option of the hover. And also you can set the animation of the hover, how it should look. It's your choice. It's really nice. You can set the border radius if you want to have a rounded shape button or not. Whatever you want, you can adjust from here. Okay, the next thing is divider. Divider, you can easily add a divider wherever you want. It can be solid, it can be double, it can be dotted. In that case I am using dashed. You can set the width of this divider. You can make it align, and you can define the width of the divider. You can increase it. You can change the color from here. Nice. The next thing is space. It can be added anywhere you want. Currently it's on desktop device. I just set it 95 on desktop. On tab device, I also have the power to adjust the height of this space, and for the mobile device is same. I have the power. The next thing is a Google Map. It's a very interesting thing. So let me add another row, and now it's a Google Map. All we need the address of the location which we want to display as a Google Map, and that's it. It will automatically take us that place. We can zoom it. Sometimes it's necessary to locate the roads. We can zoom it, we can increase the height, whatever we want. We can set the transition of hover, everything. We can simply grab it and take wherever we want. I'm just taking it here. Every items is will be copyable, and just I showed you how you can do this. If I want to copy this button and place it under this image, we can do this. Let me make it centered. It's pretty much simple. And the last thing is icon. Let me grab an icon. Here we can choose the icons from this library. Also we can choose from Fountain, whatever you want. Also we can upload our custom icons from here. In that case I am selecting an angry icon. Oops. Insert. Okay, we have the option to change the color. It's now primary color, and we also can change the hover color, as you can see. We can add a link here. Whenever someone clicks, it will redirect them to that link, and we can set the alignment on every devices. Whenever you see this icon, it means that you have the power to control that element alignment or whatever thing that is on each and every devices. Okay, so this was the basic overview of Elementor basic element. As you can see, here is the pro items. I will discuss everything of these pro items on my next videos, and I will show you how you can easily customize these pro items on each and every device that will be responsive. Okay, so stay tuned with me, and if this video helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thanks.